Good afternoon, everyone. We are out at 4514 Sea Vista Court today. This is in Gulf Breeze around Midway Tiger Point area. And you guys are going to be looking at this home that is on 1.4 acres of land. So it is just nice and peaceful out here. You can still hear the waves of the ocean on a quiet morning, but you just get so much solidarity out here. It is just beautiful. And then look at this gorgeous magnolia tree right in your front yard. So peaceful. Let's take you guys inside. So this home is going to offer you just over 1,500 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So here we are upon entry. You can see we walk right into the living room. And then there's going to be a space for a formal dining area if you'd like to put a little breakfast table over here. And then behind that partition wall where the fireplace was, you will see that you'll have your kitchen. So very open space. There's the front door that we just walked into. Nice natural light. Very beautiful. There's that sink, your fridge, of course. You do have a little bay window right here if you wanted to put some stools. And then looping back around, that is where we entered from. And then this is going to be your sliding door to go out to your gorgeous backyard. So much space here. Just lovely. So let's go ahead. We're actually going to go off the kitchen to this door right in front of me because this is what used to be the garage, and the current owners are have converted it to what could potentially be used as a living space, but they're in the works of that. You do have a utility sink out here as well as your washer dryer. And then another door that will lead to the outside. All right, so continuing through, let's go ahead and show you guys the bed and baths. So coming down this hallway just off the living room, the very first door that you're going to come to on the right is going to be your first full bathroom. So there we go there. Nice sink. I actually do really like the layout of that. So nice little sink. You've got some good vanity lighting, tile floors in here, and then here is going to be your tub shower duo, but you will get tile from ceiling to tub edge. Beautiful. So that's going to be your first bathroom. And then continuing down the hallway, we've got 2 doors just parallel to one another. Let's start to the left because that's going to be your first spare bedroom. So here we are, you've got a nice pull draw door for your closet space. Interesting concrete flooring here, kind of adds a unique touch. And then there's your closet space, pretty decent. It is gonna be wire hanging, but it is a nice size closet for the size of room that it is. And then of course you get a window in here as well. But let's go ahead and go across the way to the master bedroom or primary suite. And this carpet was actually newly installed just 2 days ago. Today is May 31st if you are watching this video in the future. So this carpet was installed on May 29th of 2024. Double pull drawers or pull doors for your closet. Excuse me, there you go. And then here is going to be your second and final full bathroom. So as you can see there, it is a shower only. Very nice tiling though from floor to ceiling, beautiful shower. Obviously you could put a curtain there or you could get some glass installed. Same type of sink setup that you had in the other bathroom previously, and some good under sink storage, so we love it. But I think the unique aspect of this primary is that you come in here and this is gonna be what could be used as, gosh, I don't even know. You could do in-suite laundry in here if you really wanted to. You could absolutely make this a walk-in closet. As you can see, there's already some hanging elements here, but there is some wall plugs. And then this door actually leads you, let's see, outside to your backyard. So you do have private access to the backyard via what could be your closet from the primary suite. So here we are. Get a little glimpse of the backyard. And there's your deck right there. Honestly, you could probably do a lot with this. I know it may seem a little funky at first, but you could absolutely, make these doors nice sliding glass doors, and then concrete out and make that a little patio area if you'd like. So room for creativity, I would say. And then finally coming back through, we do have our third and final bedroom here. Same setup as the one we saw before the primary. But yes, here is the third and final room. I guess you would actually say that this is a, flex space. It does not have a closet in here, but there is a closet on the outside. Most people would use this for a linen closet, of course, but that third room that we just looked at does not have a closet in suite. But yes, so coming back through, and I want to show you guys a little bit more of the backyard just to get a nice look at it. This home was built in '81, but we recently did just have it fully repainted, as well as refinished with the deck back here. So the deck was refinished as well. But look at all this space, you guys. So this area over here is that little garage that we looked at in the beginning, which of course will convey with the property. It is a standing structure, so it will not be going anywhere. So you could use this as, a warehouse, or if you collect cars or motorcycles, you could absolutely, keep those in there, workshop. But all of this land is yours. Again, it's 1.43 acres to be exact. So much room for activity. If you wanted to install a pool or, have some decking to extend further out, barbecuing, whatever your heart desires, you definitely have the space for it. So just to show you the back of the house quickly. So this door right here, furthest to the left, that is the entry and exit point to the garage that you saw earlier. Obviously, there are your sliding glass doors from the living area kitchen space. And then finally, this is the door all the way to the right that we can access the primary suite to. So give you a little bit more of the lay of the land. Again, this is out in Gulf Breeze, Florida, believe it or not, even though you feel like you're out in the country. I love that. Get some nice peace and quiet and some gorgeous land. And this is 4514 Sea Vista Court, Gulf Breeze, Florida. We would love for you guys to come check this place out. Give you a shot of this front one more time. Beautiful. We hope to see you guys soon.